Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Christian. It's a magnificent day to be a Panther.
Students, in sports news, our boys basketball team will host Palm Bay High today. All three teams play. Come out and support your Panthers basketball team.
Freshmen will play at 5:15, JV at 6:15, and varsity begins at 7:30.
Our girls soccer team will travel to Vieira today. Junior varsity will play at 5:30 and varsity plays at 7 p.m.
Panthers, it's time for some holiday cheer. Please see the list of our 12 days of holiday dress-up days. The 12 days of holidays dress will begin Thursday, December 7th, and continue through December 22nd.
Start planning your outfit now and please join the staff and teachers in this festive event.
Hey, did you hear that Heritage is going to have a new Cambridge elective that will be offered next year? It's called ACE Media Studies. This course will require students to study and create media products of their choice in film, podcasts, video games, or music.
If you think that you will be interested, see guidance or Miss Doring in room 5207 for more information.
Today, juniors will go to their English class first and then be meeting in the Media Center for a focus information session.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!